Hi, good night, guys. Welcome to Global PTT Official Live. My name is Sarah. In today's live, I will introduce our popular items. I will introduce 9 to 10 products. Okay, but start at the beginning of the live, I will show the latest one. The latest one is the one in the front. It is a 528 plus model. It is 528 plus model. It is a 3-in-1 4G radios. It is 3 mode: global PTT mode, UHF analog, and VHF analog. Okay, this is a 4G radios. It is different from the traditional ham radio or GMS radio, which has a density limit. This radio that I show here in our live, it is a 4G radios. There is no density limit when we use it to talk to the other global PTT radios. It is not compatible with the other brand under the global PTT mode. And it works under the global PTT mode worldwide. Okay, and the UV dial band, you can see here the second line and the third line is VHF and UHF, and under the UV dial band, there is a distance limit when we use it to talk. Yeah, the distance range for it under the UHF and VHF is 20 kilometers range. Okay, less than 20 kilometers. If you want to work longer distance, you can change to a longer antenna, or you can connect it to a repeater. Yeah, to a repeater. It is compatible with the ham radio repeater under the UV dial band. And under the global PTT mode, no, it's totally private. We can only use it to talk to the other global PTT radios. Hello, welcome. This is the latest one, the 528 plus, and we have 2 colors to choose: green color and black color. If you have a 4G reception, it can work worldwide. If you don't have 4G reception, it can only work 20 kilometers. The same card we offer to you is a global SIM. Recently, I got some. I'm good, thank you. I get some, questions from our client or from someone who want to order this walkie-talkie. Okay, they said it is a Wi-Fi radio. No, actually, not. Okay, we can't use the Wi-Fi. It is the system of the radio is iOS system. It's not Linux. It's not Android. It's not iOS. Okay, it's our own system. It's iOS system. It's quite stable. We cannot connect Wi-Fi. We use the 4G. We use the 4G SIM card. Okay, 4G SIM card to get the 4G reception. Okay, and the radio, if it can get the 4G reception, it will work, and it can work worldwide. Okay, through the global PTT servers. Okay, we have the global PTT servers over the world, and you can use this walkie-talkie over the world. Yeah, this is the global PTT servers. We can talk globally just through the global PTT servers, and it must be in our global PTT system. Then you can use it to talk worldwide. Yeah, if you don't have 4G reception, or you have 4G reception but you're not on the global PTT radios, you can see the global PTT. There is a short line in the middle. Okay, this is us. There are some other radios. They said they are global PTT. Actually, just a fake global PTT radios. Okay, global PTT. There is a short line in the middle. That is our brand, and that's the one that uses the global PTT servers, which can work all over the world. Yeah, you can use it to talk to your team members. We don't charge a monthly fee or subscription fee. Yeah, what we pay or what you pay when you order the radios is the radio itself and then the SIM card. Okay, we can renew the SIM card every year. The SIM card renew is $35, and the function of this walkie-talkie is for team communicate. We can use the walkie-talkie to achieve the international call between the team members, to call from one country to another, to call from United States to London, okay, to call from United States, New York City to Las Vegas, okay, we call from Las Vegas to Paris. It's long distance call, but only to the team members. Okay, if you order the radios, we're gonna to create the group for you, and you can talk between your team members worldwide. It's totally private. If there are someone they want to talk to you first, they must to join your team first before they can talk to you. So it's quite safe. You don't need to worry that someone they will scan or they will monitor you. Only you, only your team member, only your manager, they will manage you and they can monitor you. That is the 4G radios. It is quite different from traditional hand radio. It's totally private and much secure. Yeah. Besides the 4G, because some customers they're just worried about how about the cellular tower shut down? How about the world war? Okay. Uh, normally the 4G reception, most of the countries, okay, in the developed areas, they have good 4G coverage. Okay, in case the 4G reception, no more 4G reception, you can see the UV dial band. But the UV dial band is only for assisting. It is normal, not worse, not excellent, to be honest. Okay, because our technology is push to talk over the cellular network. That is our special, and that's our strong point. Okay, and this one that I show, we are selling it on Amazon, on Tiki, Aldi. Yeah, that we have so many shops. If you like it, you can order it. And you have already ordered it, but you don't know how to use it or you don't know how to program it, you can watch the videos I post. Okay, I posted some radios to show how to program this walkie-talkie and how to use it. And or you can also come to the live to ask me directly. Yeah, to ask me directly, and then I can show you and introduce for you. It is super cool. It's a 3 standby global-ptt 4G radios. 3 standby. The first is global-ptt. The second is VHF. The third is UHF. Let me show you the menu. Okay, let's show you the menu of this walkie-talkie. We come to the mode selection. There are 4 working modes. You can see here, and then general settings, step scan, and frequency scan. Okay, through the frequency scan, we can copy the function of the other radios. For example, you have a ham radio and your ham radio operator. You want to copy the function, copy the frequency. You can just choose the number 4 frequency scan matching the ham radio. Press the PTT button, press the PTT key, you can copy its frequency. That's the copy function of this walkie-talkie. Okay, and then I will show some other menus. RX, CT, CSS. Actually, it's just it's just some function that on the other ham radios they have too. The most important is this one, the first. Okay, global-ptt. We based on the 4G cellular network. Okay, based on our global-ptt series. Now, you must be in the global-ptt system, then it will work. Yeah. And this walkie-talkie or the other small radios or the other designs, they are all 4G radios. Okay, so no matter it is big or it is small, as long as we join them in the global-ptt system, they can work together. Yeah, but we set the agent protection system. So guys, so if you buy different brand radios, they are not compatible with each other. That's we set it to protect the profit of our agent, of our dealers, because 4G radios they are private. You must have an agent or have a dealer, okay, to help you to manage your account or to help you to add radios or delete radios. Yeah, if you are an agent already, you can do that by yourself. Okay, we are looking for dealers and agents here. Yeah, if you want to become our agent, minimum purchase 10 radios, you can become our agent. This one is the big one. I will pass it and show another models from global-ptt. Another one is G8 Plus model. Yeah, actually, I highly recommend the G8 Plus. Yeah, and the more I recommend the G8 Plus more than the 5288 Plus, because the 528 Plus it has too many functions. So sometimes sometimes our client just complain about the battery. Actually, the battery on the 528 Plus is the most expensive one. Yeah, but the G8 Plus is simple. It's simple. If you are a traditional ham radio operator and you want to buy someone that is similar with your ham radio or CB radio, you can just check this one, the G8 Plus model. Yeah. It is much simple compared to the 528 Plus, but it's much stable compared to the others. It is high power, 10 watt. Okay, 10 watt under the UHF analog mode, and under the global PTT mode, it is a global band. We use the generation 2 chip, okay, for the G8 Plus model. And so if you will use it under global PTT mode, wherever you go, you can get a very stable, quite good 4G reception. Compared to the phone, because we also use the phone signal, okay, for phone 4G signal. But compared to your phone, this walkie-talkie, the chips we use it is the global band. It is fully complete. It can get the complete 4G band. Okay, B1, B2, B3, B4, B6, okay, B38, B41. Total it has 13 bands. Okay, so you can use it to talk. You can use it to talk, and it can get the worldwide 4G signal. It can't pick up the 5G, only 4G. Okay, and if you have 4G, it will work. Now let me click all the buttons here and show you the function. Okay, what is the function of the each button? First, let's say this walkie-talkie. It has two antennas, a long one and a short one. The short antenna is for 4G. The long antenna is for the UHF analog. Okay, and there are two PTT buttons. One side, left side. Button 1 and button 2. You can just check here. Let's press the button 1. Okay, there is the beep sound. Okay, go to the other radio when we press the PTT button. It's just transmitting. Okay, there's no noise, only a clear beep sound. Does it support DM or any other? No, only global PTT and UHF. Hello. Hello. Clear and loud voice. Okay, no matter which one, the voice is clear and loud because our technology just concentrates on communicate for a clear sound, bad communication for work. Yeah. It is not a DMR, but I think we're gonna to do that. Not this year, 2025, 2026. We can do because we are just research and develop some new models. Okay. We still need some time. This one for now is 4G plus UHF. Okay, 4G plus UHF for now. Wait, let me click the button here. A and B, V and M. Yeah, it's a 4G radius and it can pick up 4G signal only. No 5G. Okay, no 6G, no DMR. But we will have new radios soon. Not now. If we have radios, I'm going to show in the live. So you can just give me a following if you like us. All the radios that you can see in our live or in our shop or from Global PTT, they're 4G radios. We have now more than 40 different designs, okay, 40, which are researched and developed by ourselves. We spend a lot of money to do the research and development, okay? And we will have new models. Every year, more than 10 new models will coming out. Yeah, and today the 3 G8 Plus, 5.2 Plus, G6 Plus. Later on, I'm going to show those are the 3 new products. Just come out last month. Okay, since now it's 1 month plus. Our client like the G8 Plus model best. Okay, the other two they also good, but the client like this one best because it's much stable and it's much simple compared to the 528 plus one. The battery is also very long lasting. We charge it one time, it can work good for at least 5 to 7 days. Yeah, so our client like the G8 plus more than the others. I'm going to show you the buttons. What's the function of this walkie-talkie? Okay, the buttons here. Long press number 1. This is frequency detecting. Okay. Long press the number 2. Number 2 is the backlight time. Okay, continue 5 seconds, 10 seconds, 15 seconds, 20 seconds. Okay, this is a backlight. And number 4, I didn't press number 3 because there's nothing under the number 3. We have power, low power. And number 5 is a switch level. You can set it by yourself. Number 6 is the beep sound on and off. Okay, beep sound on and off. Okay, this is a beep sound. Okay, number seven, nothing. Number 8 is step size. Okay, here is the buttons. Okay, and there's FM radio on it. What's the walkie-talkie? This is a POC walkie-talkie, push to talk over the cellular network. You can use it to achieve the group call between your team members. It is totally based on the 4G signal. Yeah, and we give the same card to you. If you order the radios, the SIM card, it will be included in the package. The SIM card is good for 1 year. Yeah, during the 1 year, if your SIM card suddenly stop working or you have any questions or problems, you can come to us. Yeah, we can help you to fix it. After 1 year, you needed to renew the SIM card. The SIM card is $35. No other payment. Only pay the SIM card yearly, $35. And if your order is more than 20, I can give you the price, lower price, $25 for each SIM card per year. Okay, this is the G8 Plus model. The G8 Plus model, it is a global band radios. Under the UHF analog mode, the frequency range for it is 350 MHz to 520. Yeah, we can set the frequency. Just click those buttons to set it. Okay. Actually, according to our customers, they said the G8 Plus is great, and the 528 Plus is good too. It's also great, but under the UHF analog mode, the G8 Plus, it works better. Yeah, to be honest, it works better. If you don't need VHF, okay, because this one has VHF, I think you can just choose the G8 Plus. The price, it will be lower compared to the 528 Plus, and the UHF analog working mode is better and powerful than the 528 Plus. But if you need the VHF, we don't have VHF on it, and no GPS, no SOS on the G8 Plus. Yeah, so you can choose. If you need SOS, GPS, VHF, that is the only choice for you. Yeah, it is also a good radio. Yeah, it's a good radio. This one's G8 Plus. It's solid. Okay, and it's easy to operate. We're gonna to set the group for you before we ship out, so it is just a ready to use 4G radios out of the box and ready to use. Actually, how to set it? Yeah, if you are our dealer, you are not a direct customer, you buy this radio and you resell it. How to set it? We're gonna to offer you an agent account or dealer's account like this. Yeah, it is UHF. We're going to offer you the dealer's account or agent account for you to manage the customers, to manage the radio just by yourself. Just sign in. Yeah, sign in here, and you can. I'm not sure if you can see clear. My agent, my company, my group, my user. If you are agent, you can create a new agent under your agent account. You can also create a company for your customers. Okay, minimum purchase 2 radios, you can create a company for them. Okay, if they wanted to add new radios or more radios, you can merge the company to one. Okay, and then you can help them to manage them. You can offer the company account to your customers so they can use the company account to check their group members. This is a global-ptt system. Okay, if you are a big client, we can also do the ODM and OEM for you for the system. That's our service. Okay. Here, beside the manager's account, you can see there's also a dispatch account. The dispatch account, it is useful for the big company. We can go to the dispatch account to check the location your GPS, okay? Check the SOS just through the dispatcher. Go to the dispatcher to check, to query the position of the members and SOS. That's how we use the dispatch account. The function of the dispatch account is for the manager to tracking the location of the radios. Okay, you order the radios with GPS function, you can tracking its location. The G8 Plus model, there is no GPS function, there is no SOS. Okay, that's the difference between the two radios. I highly recommend the G8 Plus, which is it will be cheaper, simple, yeah, battery long lasting, and easy to operate. The price for it is good. You can check it by yourself if you are interested in it. Okay, you can check my information. You will find how to order it, or you will just find our web. You can search. We have so many different designs actually. But no inscription in UHF, VHF bands. It is public. Okay, it is public. In the UHF and the VHF, it's just the same like the other ham radios. It's different from the Motorola. I think they use the P25, which is total private. But our radio is no, it's just a public. If someone they want to talk to you, they can set in the same frequency that you can just talk to them. You can talk to them. If you are not in the same frequency, they can't talk to you. That is the only insufficient for the UHF and VHF mode. Okay, it is compatible with the Baofeng radio. It is compatible with some other GMRS radio, but actually it's just normal, not quite excellent. Okay, when you use our UHF and VHF, but the global-ptt is totally insufficient. Okay, no matter who they can't. Okay, they can't come to the system, and then you can't be scanned by the others. But UHF and VHF is not so. It's just normal. These two functions we do because we are not a professor. Okay, on the UHF and VHF. Our technology or our company is much powerful under the global-ptt mode. Here, this one. I will pass it the G8 Plus model and show another new models. Okay, starting from we built the company, we start to do the global-ptt radios, the global-ptt system, the global-ptt SIM card platform. It is all in one. Okay, so it is a quite mature technology from us for the global-ptt mode. For UHF and VHF from us is only an assisting. Yeah, only assisting. Yeah, when you lost 4G, you can use this two function for assisting. Yeah, to communicate to someone nearby or for a short distance call to someone nearby. The range is only 20 kilometers. Yeah. If you want, professional UHF or VHF ham radio, UHF or VHF radio, you can try. It's not bad, okay. But compared to the global-ptt, it's still, not enough, okay. Because we always secure the higher level. Yeah, we always to want to come to the high level. So this one actually we recommend better than the others, the G8 Plus model. Next, I want to show the G6 Plus model. Okay, the G6 Plus model is a single mode one. Actually, this walkie-talkie I showed in the live, they all can work together. They all can work together. No matter it's a 4G single mode or it is a UV dual band, okay, or UHF and PUC dual band, UHF, VHF global-ptt 3-in-1. They can work together. Yeah, we use the global PTT system to let those radios work together in the global PTT system. As long as you have the 4G signal, it can work. It can work. Yeah, and this one actually is also a new product from Global PTT. You can see the design is just super cool. It's a 3-in-1 4G radios. Compared to the other brand, we have big advantages because since we start to do radios, we do POC radios. Yeah, so we already develop a very mature system, and also not only the radios but also the platform, the SIM card, we do all ourselves. Okay, we do all by ourselves. So it is a very complete system. You don't need to waste your time. You don't waste your money to figure it out all by yourself. You just offer us your money. We can help you to do everything, and the price is quite reasonable, not expensive at all. This one is a newly developed product from Global PTT. It's metal. Okay, it's metal. And recently we have some customers, they want to do ODM for professional use, like the skiing company. Yeah, skiing company, they want to just find some product which is suitable for their customers. Someone who goes skiing and go to the mountain, there's no 4G signal. Yeah, and sometimes they go the temperature is quite low. We can do some product for them for professional use. That is a product ODM, okay, or OEM. We can also OEM their own platform for them, for the big company. But for device customers, those are the standard products. Yeah, we can offer here. We can show in the live. If we have new product come out, I can also show in the live. If you like the products we produced, or you can just give me a follow, and you can also share our live with your friend. And during the live, we also have gifts, but I don't know how to claim it because here can't send the private message. You can see here. This is a free gift. Watch the live, you can get it for free. Okay, we'll just pass it. Let me show you the Jesus Plus model. This is the Jesus Plus model. It is a metal radius. Okay, metal radius compared to the ABS materials one, like this one. Okay, it is the ABS materials. It is metal. When we use them to talk, there are some difference between them. Okay, the metal radius, it has a clear, better sound. It's much durable, especially if we just do test. Okay, to do a test to check if the materials of the metal, it will be much harder or much durable than the ABS materials when we drop them on the floor, okay, or drop them on the stone. Upon testing, the metal one really better, okay, much better than the ABS materials one. And of course, the price it will be a little bit higher than the hard plastic one. Yeah. So there are two differences between them. Even they are all single mode. Okay, they are same single mode global band. The metal radius, the voice is much clear, much real, and the materials is much durable. You can use it for 5 years. There's no problem. And what's the difference of this one is SOS function. We add SOS function on it on the Jesus Plus model. Yeah. So when you use it to talk, okay, can you see Delta? He is one of our friends from America. Is online. We can choose to make a single call to him later on. You can join our group and you can talk to us no matter where you are. Because it's a 4G radius. You go somewhere, you have 4G reception, you can talk to me. But before you can talk to me, I must join you to our Global PTT 1 channel. It's totally private. If you are not in my channel, you can't talk to me. Yeah, and only 4G radios can do that. And only the radios from Global PTT can do that. And when you search Global PTT radios, remember our brand, Global PTT, is all capital letter, and there is a short line in the middle. global-ptt. There's a short line in the middle. That is our brand. Okay, global-ptt 4G radios. The small one and the big one, they are compatible. We can use it to make a group call, to make a single call. Green color, this is green color. We have black color, silver color, just 3 colors to choose. I like the silver color best, but I don't have the simple for now. For the silver color. Okay, I gonna to call to Delta because now he's just online. We will not make a group call to him. We're gonna to make a single call. Okay, we just choose him. Where is he? Can't find him. A while ago he is here. Okay, we can't find him. We can't find him, so we will not call test with him. Later on, if he call us, we will answer him. Yeah. We can only talk to the team members. If he is not in our group, not in our team, we can't talk to him. That is our walkie-talkie. 4G radios, push to talk over the cellular network. Okay, we can choose to make a group call, single call, no distance limit, and we don't charge a monthly fee, no subscription fee. The SIM card here, guys, actually, the SIM card here we show in our live, actually it's a global SIM. It covers 174 countries. Okay, so if you like travel around or you have a cross-border of the team, I think this SIM card it can help you a lot, and it can help you to save your money. One SIM card is only 35, and you can travel to 174 countries. And when you use your walkie-talkie to talk, you can still talk. You don't need to change a SIM card. Just $35, good for so many countries. We also have the other plan. Yeah, wherever you're going to use this walkie-talkie, you can tell to us before we ship out to you. You can tell to us. So we're going to prepare, or we're going to give you a suggestion, and we ship you the SIM card which is good for your exact country. Yeah. And here is the G6 Plus. I will pass it and show another popular items from global-ptt. Okay, I'm gonna turn it off. The other one that I want to show is this one, the 6500 model. This one. Can you see here? It's quite similar with the 6500. It's quite similar with the Plus. Okay, the size are almost the same. Okay, the color are almost the same, but the screen is a little bit different. The Plus is bigger. Okay, Plus is bigger, and because Plus is three mode, and the 6500 model is dual mode. global-ptt and UHF. It's global-ptt, UHF, and VHF. It's a 3-in-1. This is a 2-in-1. Okay. Press the PTT button, send the message out under global-ptt mode, and here press the PTT button, send the message out under the global-ptt mode. Most of them, they have the 2 PTT button, okay, left and right. For the left side one is much simple. Yeah, when we use it to program, the programming software is simple than the Plus. Okay, the Plus, there's a driver. Okay, there's a driver when you install the programming software, but there's no driver for this one. You can download the tools and program it directly. For this one, you need to download the driver, okay, and program it. After you download the driver, you need to install it, and then you need to install the driver first, and then you need to connect the radios to the computer. And last step is program it. Just use the software to program it. So it's a 3-step, 3 procedure, but this one's only 1. Okay, connect the cable wire, you can program it. So it's much simple. Hello guys, welcome to our live. My name is Sarah. We're just showing the radios here. If you like our product, you can order it just in our shop. Okay, if you have any questions, you can type them out on the public screen so I can answer you. Yeah, answer your questions directly. We almost finished the live, just the last 10 minutes. Okay, we compare these 2 radios. And about the UHF analog mode, the 5288 or 6500 model, it is 16 channels. Okay, 16 channels. There are 16 channels, but this one's 256 channels. Okay, 256 channels, so they are different. 256. Okay, it is the walkie-talkie is storage 256 channels. We can set it by ourselves. Okay, actually before we ship out, we have already set some channels on it. Yeah, you can use it directly. If you want to program it, you want to set your own channel, your own frequency on it, you can use the cable wire, okay, to program it. There is another easier way to program it. Just set your frequency directly here. It is like this. Go to mode selection, choose frequency mode. Okay, now we can set it directly. Now we can set it directly. Okay, we can set it directly. It's quite simple, yeah, quite simple. But use the cable wire to program it. Can set 256 channels at one time. Yeah, if you were set like this, it will take you hours to do all the settings. Okay, so it's not very convenient, especially you want to set many channels. And then here is the VHF, and the last part UHF. Okay, it's UHF. Set it in UHF analog mode. The frequency range of UHF is 400 to 490. That's the plus. And this one is 400 to 520. And that's the normal one. The frequency range are different under UHF. Okay, the channel storage are different. 16 channels, 256 channels. Okay, the channels are different. That's the two radios. And the clips you can see here. This is the clips. Okay, this is a clips. For the 6500 or 528 model, it is just removable one. Okay, and the clips here on the directly on the radio is not removable one. And when you buy parts, like if you buy a battery, actually for the plants, I highly recommend if you order it, you buy an extra battery together. Okay, order the extra battery together. Yeah, because it will just cost more power. You order an extra battery, yeah, and it will just it will be much better. You know, the SOS and GPS is always on, so it will cost more power. We charge it one time, it can work good for 2 days or 3 days only. But if you buy an extra battery, if it's low power, you can just change the battery. Yeah, and there's one important thing is about the radio. Let me show you here. The radio is in link number 1. First, I'm going to pin for you first, and then I will just show you the details. Let me check for you, which is very important because some of our clients, they said the battery is not very well of this walkie-talkie. So I want to show you here. You come to the description. Okay, very important. Come to the description. 528 plus battery charging tips. I put it in front to let you know, read it first before you charge it. Okay, if battery is fully drained, charging may not start immediately. This is normal because the battery, there's a pad. There's a pad. It has a self-protection system, so it will not charge directly if there is no battery anymore. Normally, we suggest you get 20%. Okay, if you have 20% left, you need to charge it. Yeah, that's why I suggest you get an extra battery. Okay. Best charging practice, starting charging at 20% and don't wait for 0%. Use original charger and cable only. We have a cable and a charger inside the package box. Okay, like this one. Let me show you. Excuse me. Okay, this is the charger and cable wire. It is a short one. We have the programming cable. This is the charging cable. Can you see here? It's Type-C interface. This is the charging cable. And we have another cable. This is a programming cable. Okay, this is a programming cable. They are different cable. If you want to use this cable to charging, it's not chargeable. Not chargeable. Okay. And this one is the programming cable. This one's the charging cable. They are different. Just compare. Okay, this is a charging cable. This is a programming cable. They are different cable. Yeah, if you want to program it, use this one. Charge the radio, use this one, and only use this one. Don't use your phone charger. Okay, it will damage the battery. The battery will go dead. It will damage the battery. And if the battery is drained, you don't charge it and the battery is drained, don't worry. You charge it, plug in the Type-C charger, the cable wire, wait for 1 hour, it will resume. The battery, it will start to charge after 1 hour. Okay, that is normal. That is normal. And I just put it in front of the, I just put it here in the information. So if you like and you want to try, you can try it. Okay, in link number 1. And we now have a deals for you, big discount. Even you go to Christmas, the price can't be lower than now. So don't miss it. And here is the compare between the two radios. We will do the last review. Okay, we highly recommend the G8 Plus model. So the last review, we're going to review the G8 Plus. Okay, number 2. G8 Plus model. The G8 Plus model is the one that we recommend best for now from global-ptt. It is a high power, 10 watt, and under global-ptt mode, it is a worldwide range, global band, worldwide range. Quite a stable 4G reception. There's no SOS, there's no GPS, only 4G and UHF analog mode. But when you use it under the UHF analog mode, it works better than the others. Okay, let me show you the working mode. Okay, working mode, POC mode, analog mode, mix mode, repeater mode. POC, analog, mix, and repeater mode. There's 4 working mode. Okay, there's 4 working mode. We can set it in POC mode. We can set it in analog mode. Also the mix mode. Set it by yourself. Quite simple. How to set the frequency? Just use the buttons to set the frequency directly. Set it in frequency mode. This is channel mode. Okay, there are 200 channels. And this is frequency mode. Set the frequency directly on it. Frequency range will be 350 MHz to 520. It is a very simple one, but it's really a good walkie-talkie. We also have promo for now for this one. There's a big discount. Okay, so if you like it, you can just order it in our shop. Just last 1 minute, guys. Thank you so much for coming to our live and stay with us. We will finish our live. Just give last 1 minute. What we are showing here, they are all 4G POC radios. 4G POC radio. POC means push to talk over the cellular network. Okay, and our walkie-talkie can help you to achieve the instant communicate. We can achieve the more than 5,000 miles range. Okay, more than 5,000 miles range to talk. How to add to the same group or same channel? You don't need to worry about that. We will be the one help you to add. Okay, we will be the one help you to add all the radios or merge your groups in one channel. Okay, thank you everyone. I will leave the live. Bye bye.